What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming laptops that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Acer Predator Helios 16 with RTX 4080 is a powerhouse gaming laptop designed for high-performance enthusiasts. Featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, it enables seamless multitasking and supports demanding workloads such as gaming, recording, and content creation. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 laptop GPU, built on the efficient Ada Lovelace architecture, delivers exceptional graphics performance and supports AI-powered features. The laptop boasts a 16-inch mini LED display with a 250Hz refresh rate, a 16:10 aspect ratio, and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. NVIDIA G-Sync and advanced Optimus technologies ensure a smooth and responsive visual experience. Internally, the laptop is equipped with 32GB DDR5 memory and a spacious 2TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD with two M.2 slots. The inclusion of NVIDIA Advanced Optimus allows dynamic switching between integrated and discrete graphics without rebooting, optimizing power consumption. The Helios 16 prioritizes connectivity with an Intel Killer E2600 Ethernet controller and Killer Wi-Fi 6 EAX1675, providing a competitive edge in online gaming. It offers a full range of USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, including Thunderbolt 4 USB-C and HDMI 2.1. A backlit keyboard and a memory card slot add to the laptop's convenience and versatility. The neon-hued design reflects the power within, and the superior cooling technology ensures optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. With its cutting-edge hardware and features, the Acer Predator Helios 16 RTX 4080 promises a gaming experience characterized by clarity, speed, and unmatched power. The MSI Katana 15 with RTX 4070 delivers a high-performance experience with its 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, and other cutting-edge features. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and immersive gaming experience. The 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, boasting improved hybrid core architecture, provides elite gaming performance and supports professional content creation. With 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, multitasking and demanding games run seamlessly. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, powered by the Ada Lovelace architecture, offers beyond fast performance for gamers and creators. Ray tracing and AI-powered graphics enhance the gaming experience, delivering lifelike virtual worlds and ultra-high FPS gaming. The laptop is equipped with high-speed data transfer capabilities, featuring Thunderbolt 4 and DDR5 4000 memory. Various connectivity options, including RJ45, HDMI, and USB ports, provide versatility for peripherals and accessories. The 144Hz IPS-level display ensures striking visuals, and the Cooler Boost 5 cooling system, with 2 fans and 6 heat pipes, enhances thermal performance. The switchable graphics technology allows users to select between discrete graphics mode or MS hybrid graphics mode, NVIDIA Optimus, for a balance between gaming performance and efficiency. The MSI Katana 15 also features a 4-zone RGB keyboard, high-resolution audio, and a HEMIC for an immersive gaming experience. The PCIe Gen 4 technology ensures lightning-fast loading speeds, and the laptop's design reflects gaming style with colorful lighting. With its impressive features and capabilities, the MSI Katana 15 RTX 4070 is a powerful gaming laptop for enthusiasts. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3, powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 GPU, is a formidable gaming laptop that promises elevated gaming experiences. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth visuals, while the anti-glare coating enhances viewing comfort. With 8GB of DDR5 RAM and a fast 256GB NVMe storage, this laptop delivers efficient multitasking and rapid data access. The inclusion of the latest generation AMD Ryzen 6000 series processors and GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs, powered by NVIDIA's second-gen RTX architecture, ensures top-tier gaming performance with realistic ray-traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features. The signature Lenovo gaming keyboard provides media control and a number pad, contributing to an enhanced gaming experience. The laptop offers excellent battery life and supports rapid charge, allowing a 40% boost in just 15 minutes. In terms of connectivity, the IdeaPad Gaming 3 includes built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI 2.0, RJ45, and an audio jack. This sleek and slim Lenovo gaming laptop, equipped with powerful sound through two two-way stereo speakers with Nahimic audio, offers an exceptional blend of performance and design, making it a standout choice for gamers seeking a competitive edge. The HP Victus 15.6 with RTX 2050 is a powerful gaming machine designed to provide an immersive and high-performance gaming experience. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate, it ensures smooth visuals and eliminates annoying delays, enhancing the gaming adventure. Under the hood, it is equipped with the AMD 6-core Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, boasting 6 cores and 12 threads for exceptional gaming performance and content creation. The laptop is complemented by a massive 64GB of DDR5 RAM, offering robust multitasking capabilities. Storage is handled by a spacious 2TB NVMe SSD, providing both ample space and rapid data access. The gaming laptop is powered by the GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card, bringing AI-enhanced applications to the forefront and delivering unprecedented gaming levels backed by the Studio platform. Connectivity options are diverse, including Wi-Fi 6 for increased speed and performance, Bluetooth, and a range of ports such as USB Type-A and Type-C, HDMI, RJ45, and a multi-format SD media card reader. The laptop also features a backlit keyboard for convenience in low-light settings. With Windows 11 Pro as the operating system, the HP Victus 15.6 gaming laptop combines powerful hardware components with a feature-rich design, making it an ideal choice for gamers and content creators seeking a premium and immersive computing experience. The 2024 Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 with RTX 4060 is a high-performance gaming laptop designed to meet the demands of gamers and multitaskers alike. With a 16-inch Full HD display featuring a 165Hz refresh rate and LED technology, it delivers a smooth and responsive visual experience, enhanced by the benefits of ROG intelligent cooling for adaptive temperature management. Under the hood, it is powered by the 13th generation Intel Core i7-13620H, a 10-core processor with turbo boost up to 4.9 GHz, making it ideal for gaming and multitasking. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics with 8GB GDDR6 and ROG Boost ensures exceptional gaming performance, supports ray tracing, and provides realistic visuals. The laptop boasts an impressive 48GB of DDR4 RAM for smooth application handling and multitasking. The storage is handled by a capacious 2TB SSD, offering both speed and ample space for storing data. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for secure and efficient online operations. The device is equipped with a variety of ports, including USB Type-A and Type-C, HDMI, a headphone and microphone jack, and a media card reader, ensuring versatile connectivity. Additional features include a backlit keyboard for convenient typing in low-light environments, a webcam, a built-in microphone, and Dolby Atmos audio technology for an immersive sound experience. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home and incorporates security features such as a cable lock slot and facial recognition. With a battery life of up to 10 hours, the 2024 Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 with RTX 4060 offers a powerful and versatile computing solution for gaming enthusiasts and professionals alike.